Hello everyone, my name is Shweta and in this video we talk about how to solve one move checkmate. So let's start. I share my screen. We use Leech's application for that. Okay. So right now we have this position. So before solving any position we need to focus okay, which piece is active, which piece is non-active. Right now in this position if we talk about white side, so the knight play active, the queen also play active as well as this bishop also play active. And if we talk about the black side, so the rook is active, rook attack on the queen, as well as rook and queen support each other. So right now, how to do one move checkmate? Let's see. This pawn is pin. This is absolute pin. And the king not able to move upward side because of queen. So if I move my knight to e5 position and attack on the king, so the pawn not able to capture the pawn. We have two type of pin. One is a absolute pin, another one is a relative pin. So this is an absolute pin. So the pawn not able to capture me. So when I move this knight to e5, that's a checkmate. Now switch to next position. In this position, again we focus on the active pieces. So white side we have pieces. Uh, Bishop is active, rook is active, and if we talk about the blackened side, the queen play active, rook also play active. Rook easily capture my pawn and attack on the king. So let's start thinking. This rook make a wall on the seventh line, so the king not able to move upward side. As well as this bishop also capture all the diagonal black square. So we think about the black king can only move the d6 position. So where I move my queen, so I block d6 square as well. So let's start thinking. If I capture this pawn, so still king can easily move d6 square. And if I move my queen to this position, this is blunder because king also capture, queen also capture the queen. So we move the queen to a6. We have only three options to attack on the king. This is also a blunder. This is also a blunder. If we capture this pawn, so king easily escape. So right now we choose the a6 square. So when we go to a6, king has no option to go anywhere. Next position. Now this time we are black. So again this rook play active. This rook make a wall. So king not go up. Bishop supported by pawn. So king not capture the bishop. If we talk about this pawn can push one step up, but this pawn not able to capture the piece. Right now there's a no piece, but this pawn is pin. So this pawn can easily move, but not capture anyone. And if we talk about the knight, so knight can easily give check to king. Knight play also active. So let's start thinking ki where we move the knight so we give check to king. So we find out two options. Okay, one is b4, another one is c5. Let's start thinking. If we move the knight to b4, so what happened? The pawn easily capture me and then is a blunder. We lose our stronger piece. And if I move my knight to c5, so we give check to king. Now king not move to e4 because the same knight attack on the king as well as capture the e4 square. So right now king has no option to move. Again, this is checkmate. Move to next position. If you're facing any doubt in any explanation, you can drop me a message. I will resolve the issue. In this position, again we are white and our two pieces play active, both queen and rook. Let's start thinking ki if I capture this queen, again king not capture me back because we have a rook support and we have another option. We just move the queen to h6 and again give check to king. But now start thinking like this ki if I move the queen to h6, so is black has any option to save himself, save the king? So the answer is yes. The queen easily come to h7 and protect the king. So this is not a checkmate in one move, as well as this is not a good move, because if you do piece to piece and this is also piece to piece, black has more piece than you. So black has a chance to easily capture this pawn and win the game. So you have another option, just capture this rook. So right now we focus how many option queen has to move and attack on the king, and then we choose the best one. Next position, again we focus on black side and white active pieces. So right now we focus queen also play active, even knight also play active. Let's start. If I move my queen to h4, so king has no option to run away because king not move down because of queen, king not move up, again queen, and king not move to g3 again because of queen as well as pawn, and nobody attack the queen. So this is a safe option, as well as there's a no one who can protect, who just come and protect the king. So the queen h4 is a good, clear. Now we see one more position. In this position, the active pieces from white side, knight, queen. This pawn also play very active because of this pawn, king not move anywhere. And from black side, queen also play active because queen can easily capture our queen and reduce the threat or remove the threat, you can say. Black both rook right now not attack on anyone, both support each other. So this is your task. You need to find out the answer. Pause this video, find out the answer, pause this video, and write your answer in the comment box. Hope you like and understand how to do one move checkmate. For more videos, like and subscribe my video. Bye bye.